Welcome. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to remove a website URL from your LinkedIn profile. Whether you want to update your contact information or simply clean up your profile, these steps will help you do it easily. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to accessing your profile settings. After tapping the Me icon, scroll down and select Settings. From there, navigate to Account Preferences. This section contains various options to customize your LinkedIn experience. Next, you'll want to find the Profile Information section. Under this category, click on Name, Location, and Industry. This will lead you to a page where you can edit various aspects of your profile. Once you're in the right section, look for the Edit icon. Clicking, this will take you to the Edit Contact Info page. Here, you'll see all the contact details associated with your profile, including any website URLs you may have added. To remove a website URL, simply locate the website you want to delete and click on the Remove option underneath it. This action will prompt a confirmation message to ensure that you really want to remove this link. Finally, after you've removed the desired website URL, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial as it ensures that all your changes are applied and updated on your profile. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully removed a website URL from your LinkedIn profile. Keeping your online presence updated is essential for maintaining a professional image, so make sure to revisit these settings regularly. Thanks for joining me today. Happy networking.